Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your age on TikTok. First of all, the TikTok app does not provide an option to change your birthday directly. Instead, we should contact TikTok Help Center and change our birthday with them. Open your TikTok app. Then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you need to click these three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy option in here. Now scroll down until you find the report a problem option. Then under the topic section, you need to click on account and profile option. Now you need to click this editing profile option and tap on other option in here. Now go to the very bottom. Here you can find need more help option. So tap on it. Now you have to write the feedback to the TikTok team. What you need to do is to write something like I am doing right here. So write that you have to change your birthday because your current one is incorrect. And tell them you can provide your ID card if necessary. Don't upload your ID card right now, but only if they ask you to do so, submit your report and they will contact you within a day or two. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.